Hello everyone. Today I will discuss about the IAM user, IAM role, access key, secret key, group, AWS managed permissions, attaching a role with EC2, and multi-factor authentication. So let's start and go for a demo direct. So basically, we do have why do we need groups, right? Let me delete this, right? Group basically we just need to if we are going to create 100 users, so if you are going to create 100 users and you have to assign a similar level of the permission, so you just need to create a group, add the group in the uh, inside the user, uh, in the group, and same level of the permission will reflect to 100 user. And if you are going to one by one and same level of permission, so 100 user you have to assign every time. So okay, let me show you how. First we need to create a group, right? Name of the group S3. So S3 group, and which has a already S3 permission. These are the AWS managed policies, okay? And this is comes like this, right? And all. So S3 full access means this is the S3 full access. Create a group. Let me show you how. I have created a group with S3 full access, but let me show you how to create a user, like test user one, right? And if provide user access to AWS, I do not want AWS management access, like this console access, right? Okay. So test user one, I need to click add a user to group. Directly I can able to add. So just now if I added this, so S3 full access already assigned, but let me tell you directly if without group you are going to create, okay? And here you need to search S3 full access. So just go in a checkbox and then this. I hope you understood. And group, and inside the group automatically same level of the permissions, right? So user is created, test user one. Let me explain some attribute. This is the ARN, and console access is disabled and it is created, right? Permission, this is the S3 full access. Even you can attach once created user at add user, and you can just mark and add to user, right? So it is attached with the group also has the same level permissions. So I hope you understood. Security credentials, basically security credentials is this multi-factor authentication. So multi-factor authentication is that if you are going to log in this AWS console using this, so it is authenticated with devices, right? So you have to install authenticator app, okay, in your mobile, and just need to select authenticator app. Two three ways also, and two more ways we do have, right? But I am telling you what is the best feasible options, right? Just once installed, just scan this app. It will ask you two MFA code. It will give you two MFA. Just enter and add MFA, okay? So this is the way, right? And second is a major part is access key and secret key. Just go, and we are using just CLI purpose, right? Just select other, next, and then create. Post creating this access key and secret key, just need to download, right? This CSV file. Else once time it is with, then hide, then it will, when post creating it will not come again, okay? Here, this is access key, only its access key is uh, coming but not secret key, right? So that's why I am telling you, right? And this is look like, right, SSH code commit is the repository. If you want to do SSH, so you just need to update, and you should have the similar level of the permission. So this is the things, right, for repository purpose. And let me hold for a moment, right? So we have downloaded this access key and secret key. Just I had a my VMware. Let me show you how to install. If you want to go like AWS CLI deep dive, I have already created one CLI deep dive, right? And let me show you. You can go through the my videos, right? I just need to configure this access key and secret key in my local, right? In my VMware. Let me show you. Okay, is there any key and all configured or not? There is no key. AWS configure. Just this. Let me open a secret key. See, US is -1. So AWS S3. Sorry, it's gone. AWS S3 LS. So I do have a S3 level of S3 is a bucket. S3 is a service in AWS which we have where we need to create a buckets, right? So this bucket is listing. Basically, I have already created. Okay, let me show you the same thing and go to the AWS console. Let me know. Access key, secret key, I am user, AWS managed police group, it's explained. I'm just going to explain this and I am role. Okay. So what is the I am role? Basically, access key and secret key is not a good way to keep use the inside the production. So we just need to create a same level of the role, right? Let me tell you, right, how test role on AWS service, right? I will explain web identity, AWS account and all, right, in next videos. So EC2 based we just need to create, right? And here S3 full access, same level of the permissions. Next, role name test role 1. And let me show you how this will impact, right? So I have opened the EC2. My EC2 is running, right? Okay. And let me tell you, right? Go to the. I am just attaching this role, right? Modify IAM role. Just test role is already coming. Let me once again. Okay, test. Let me in front of you. Okay, this is a test. So I just need to connect, right? This connect. It will connect, right? It's just as a SSH. This is the AWS instance, and here I am showing this is my VMware in my personal laptop, right? Okay, sudo bus AWS configure list. This is the IAM role. Okay, I have attached the IAM role. Okay, this is the IAM role, and that is the different here, right? It is not set, and if I will run, this is my local AWS configure list. So it is coming shared, right? Okay, hope you got it. And this is the IAM role. So there is no access key secret key configured. Okay, if it is coming output. Okay, WS3LS. Okay, so now it is showing the same. So there is no security concern because I have attached the IAM role, and here it is locally. I'm just showing it access key and secret. That is a security concern. Okay, we should avoid to access key and secret key. We can go for the IAM role access, right? Hope I have explained all these things. I think one more thing is missing. Let me tell you which one. Inside the security credential part, it is a one more is multifactor authentication. This is okay. I have already explained. I hope so. So you can select an authenticator app in your form. Just need to install authenticator app. Just next, and just any device name, whatever you want. Then next, just scan from your app this app, and it will this will give you two MFA and just add MFA. And when you are going to log in AWS account through user, so it will ask MFA just for additional security. I hope you like it this videos, right? And my next video in same way it will come, IAM policy example, pass role, and some interview question. And third video, assume role AWS single account, and web identity assume role example 2. If you like this video, kindly share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.